So what is Wix Harmony? Wix Harmony is Wix's AI website builder. You describe your business or idea and it generates a full website draft with pages, copy, and design. From there, you can refine it using Aria, Wix's built-in AI assistant, or adjust everything with their easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. And Wix was gracious enough to sponsor today's video. To see Wix Harmony in action, head over to Wix and create a new site. When you choose the AI route, you're going to be greeted with a chat that asks you a few simple questions like, what is your business? What do you want people to do when they land on your page? And what features do you need? You answer in plain, natural language like you're talking to a friend. Then it takes everything you said and pulls it together into a first draft built for your business. When it's done, you land inside the editor. On the right, you'll see Aria, Wix's AI agent that'll help you customize your site. From here, anything that you want to change, you can ask her to do it for you. Or you can use Wix's easy-to-use drag-and-drop website builder to make the changes yourself. How is Wix Harmony different? Here's the thing, almost every website builder has some AI functionality now. What makes Wix stand out is everything underneath the AI. Wix was already one of the most popular website builders before any of this. It's easy, drag and drop, and has built-in tools for just about any business. Online stores, bookings, reservations, paid services, memberships, whatever you want your website to do, Wix already does it. Now it adds an AI builder on top of all that. You've probably also heard of vibe coding with tools like Cursor or Lovable. You describe what you want, and it builds it. But those are mostly made for building apps. You can technically build a website with them, but it's not really what they're for. And they're chat only. To change a color or move a button, you have to describe every little thing in words. I'll give you a real example. I built a language learning flashcard app with Cursor. It's great, but every time I want to change a color, swap a font, move a button, or round off an edge, I had to spell it out. With Wix Harmony, I just click on what I want to change and change it. Easy. That's because Wix Harmony gives you both. You get the AI chat to build and make changes to your site, and you get the drag and drop editor Wix is known for. Wix calls this a hybrid editor. You just use whichever tool fits the job. For the simple stuff, do it yourself. I wanted to use my logo instead of the one that Wix generated. I deleted it, dropped in mine, grabbed the corner, resized it, and aligned it within the header. It took just a few seconds. For more complex tasks, you can ask Aria. On my homepage, I wanted a 3-column section for 3 of my YouTube channels, each with a video, the channel name, and a short description. I just told Aria what I wanted. She created the layout, dropped in the links, then filled in and formatted the whole thing cleanly. By hand, that would have taken me much longer. So you're never stuck. Nudge a button a few pixels when you want pixel-perfect design, and hand the hard part to Aria. That mix is what makes this easy for someone who doesn't have experience building websites. Wix Harmony core features include vibe coding. Describe what you want in plain language, and it's built for you. No coding required. Aria, Wix's AI agent. You can ask Aria to add, remove, or edit anything you'd like. Ask for a new page or a new section, and she builds it. Ask for colors that fit your brand, and she updates them. Ask for better fonts, and she swaps them out. Ask her to replace an image or clean one up, and she takes care of that. It's a hybrid creation experience, so you're never locked into one way of working. Switch between the drag and drop editor and Aria whenever you want to make changes. And it all runs on Wix's secure managed infrastructure. Hosting, performance, and security are handled for you. Wix also has plenty of built-in marketing, content, and SEO features. You can use AI to write your blog post. Describe what the article is about, select the word count range, tone, and the number of images. Select your favorite title from an AI-generated list. Then the AI writes a first draft of the article for you. You can edit it from there. No need to start your next article by staring at a blank page. If you don't want AI to write the whole article, you can use it just for the parts that slow you down. The article title or an outline to help you get started. And once you've written something, you can get grammar and style help without leaving the editor. Wix's SEO tools can generate your meta titles and descriptions. This is the text that shows up in Google search results. SEO is a commonly skipped step, but this makes it fast enough that you'll actually do it. In the photo studio, you can generate custom images with AI, remove backgrounds, and resize or reformat images without touching a separate tool. If you need a quick visual for a blog post or a section on your site, it's all in the same place. And remember, you always have full control to customize anything you'd like by hand with the easy-to-use drag and drop features. Use AI when it's helpful, or do things on your own. You never need to touch a line of code. And every Wix site is responsive, so it automatically adjusts to look good on phones, tablets, and computers. So who is Wix Harmony for? Pretty much any business owner or really anyone who needs a website. You describe what you do, and AI builds something custom for you. Say you're a college student who wants a portfolio. You can put that together easily, fast, and for free with Wix. We actually have a video on that. Selling services, running an online store, hosting the menu for your restaurant, taking reservations for a bed and breakfast, booking appointments for a salon, writing a blog post for your personal brand. Whatever you do, Wix has the tools for it, and now AI builds the pages around them. But here's who it's not for. 2 cases. First, if you're building an actual app, like my language learning app, this isn't a tool. That's what something like Base 44 or Cursor are for. Secondly, if you're a professional designer or an agency that needs custom code, custom CSS, JavaScript, or you're managing a bunch of client sites. If you're an agency or have specific custom development needs, I'd check out Wix Studio. Wix Harmony versus Wix Studio. Wix Studio is still for websites, not apps, but it's the pro tier for designers and agency. Wix Harmony is the AI builder for the rest of us. So if you're a business owner who wants a website to sell online, show what you do, run a blog, or take reservations, Wix Harmony is built for you. So how much does Wix Harmony cost? Wix Harmony is included with all Wix plans. Their free plan, Lite for $17 per month, billed annually, all the way up to Wix Business Elite for $159 per month, paid annually. So yes, you can use Wix Harmony for free. This isn't a free trial. You can design and publish a real website for free on a Wix subdomain and keep it up as long as you want. The trade-off is that a free site shows Wix ads and your address is a Wix subdomain, something like this. For a business, you want a paid plan. Like every website builder, you need a paid plan to connect your own domain. And yes, your business should have its own domain. A Wix premium plan does that and drops the ads. So there's free plus 4 paid plans. You just need to pick based on your needs. The entry plan Lite is for showing what your business does. The next one up, Core, is what you want if you plan to sell online. Then there are higher tiers like Business and Business Elite, which you might end up upgrading to later when your business gets bigger. The nice part with Wix is you don't have to figure it out up front. When you want to add things to your site, like more forms or payments, Wix just prompts you to upgrade when you've hit a limit. And whatever you already paid gets credited towards upgrading to the next tier. So start with the lowest plan you think you need and simply move up from there. If you're still not sure which to choose, I made a more in-depth video that breaks down every plan and who each one is for. Check it out in the link below. So how do I get started with Wix Harmony? It's really simple. Go to Wix.com, the link's in the description. Click Get Started, select Chat with AI, then answer a handful of questions about your business, and it builds your first draft. From there, you make it yours. Add sections, delete what you don't want, swap in your own photos. For anything you want to change, ask Aria, or just click, delete, drag, or drop it in yourself. One thing that makes this process a lot easier is knowing what to put on your site before you start. So we built a free prompt that walks you through it. It maps out the pages you need, the copy, the colors and fonts that match your brand, the photos you'll want, and it even gives you direction for your logo. It takes about 45 minutes to get your full website blueprint, and once you have it, the rest is easy. You can download it for free in the description, and there's a walkthrough on how to use it, also linked below. Then you can just hand what it gives you to Aria, or just paste in each section yourself. With that plan in place, working alongside Aria, you decide what to hand off. Have her build this section, write this page, then you go in and fine tune. Delete something from the menu, or move a block of text a couple pixels over. With the plan ready, you can sit down and build your whole website in an afternoon. When you're happy with it, double check it looks good on mobile. Wix websites are responsive, so that's usually handled for you, but it's worth a quick look given that over half of your traffic will be viewing your website on their cell phone. Then you're ready to publish. That's when you connect your custom domain, which is free for the first year when choosing an annual plan with Wix, or connect one that you already own. Set up payments if you're selling online, and just like that, your business is live on the internet. So that's Wix Harmony. It turns a few questions into a real first draft, then it gives you 2 ways to change anything. Do it yourself, or have Aria do it for you. It's free to start and works for just about any business. If you want to give Wix a try, the link's in the description. If you're ready to build, this video walks you through the whole website building process with Wix, step by step. If you're not sure what to put on your site yet, start with our blueprint walkthrough. It gets your pages, copy, colors, and fonts sorted before you build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.